Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do chapter 16 and 17 from your grammar book. Present continuous and past continuous from chapter 16 and future continuous from chapter 17. But before I start, please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. Let us start. What is tense? Tense is used to denote the time of an action. There are three kinds of tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. What is present tense? Present tense is used to denote an action that happens now. Past tense denotes an action that took place before, and future time denotes an action that is yet to happen. There are different forms of the tenses like simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And we are going to study about continuous tenses, present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to denote a continuing action in the present. Present continuous tense uses the verb am, is or are plus ing like I am working, she is working, we are working. Shows the continuation. In the present continuous tense, we also have affirmative sentences, interrogative sentence and negative sentences. Like in affirmative sentences, it is expressed with a combination of the be verb plus the main verb in its progressive form. Like, I am writing an essay. So, I is the subject, am is the be form of the verb and writing, that is main verb plus ing, and that is your affirmative sentence, or we can say positive sentence. Next is interrogative sentence. Is she watching the news on television? So here it will start with the be form of the verb, that is the be form of the verb, she is the subject, then the main verb plus ing, that is watching. Next is the negative sentence. She is not watching the news on television. So here we will start with the subject, that is she, is, that is the be form of the verb, and we'll put a negative form, that is not, and watching, main verb plus ing. Present continuous tense is used for any action that is happening at the moment and is incomplete. I am eating cake. Or for actions or situations which are thought to be of a shorter duration. Example, what is your son doing now? To refer to activities and events that are fixed plans for the near future, like we are leaving for Coorg tomorrow. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense denotes a continuing action in the past. Past continuous tense uses the be form of the verb was, were plus ing. For example, he was working, we were working. So like present continuous tense, past continuous tense also have affirmative sentences, negative sentences and negative interrogative sentences. Affirmative sentences, it is expressed with a combination of the past form of the verb be and the main verb in its progressive form. Like, I was writing an essay yesterday. So, I is the subject, was is the be form of the verb and writing is the main verb plus ing. Next, the negative sentences, he was not feeling very happy to let me go with her. So, he is the subject here. Be is the be form, was is the be form of the verb and not is the negative form and feeling is the main verb plus ing. Next is interrogative sentence. Were you planning to study together? So were here is the be form of the verb, you is the subject, planning is main verb plus ing. Or we can say as negative interrogative sentences like, were you not planning to study together? Or Weren't you planning to study together? So weren't will be be form of the verb, you is the subject, planning, main verb plus ing. The past continuous tense is used in the following situations. An action that was continuous that started and ended in the past. Like Meena was cooking for hours yesterday. Two or more actions happening in the same time in the past. This afternoon I was sleeping and he was jogging. One action continuing another started and finished in the middle of the first action. I was jogging in the park when I saw an aeroplane. Future continuous tense. The future continuous is used to denote an action which is expected to be in progress at a certain point of time in the future. Future continuous tense uses shall, will plus be plus ing. Like I shall be working or we will be working. Like the past and present continuous tense, it is also used in affirmative sentences, interrogative and negative sentences. It is expressed through the following combination of verbs. In affirmative sentences, it is used as I will be sleeping in the afternoon. So I is the subject, will is the modal auxiliary, be is the be form of the verb, and sleeping is the main verb plus ing. Next is the interrogative sentence. Will you be sleeping in the afternoon? So will is the modal auxiliary, you is the subject, be is the be form of the verb, sleeping is main verb plus ing. The negative form of the verb, I will not be sleeping in the afternoon. So I is the subject, will is the modal auxiliary, not is the negative form, be is the be form of the verb, and sleeping main verb plus ing. The future action will is used to talk about a future fact, a sudden decision, an offer, a promise, a possibility in the future. Like my birthday will fall on a Wednesday. Future fact. I'll come with you to the fair although I am quite busy. That's a sudden decision. I'll give you a gift if you want one, an offer. I'll help you when you need it, a promise. The birds will arrive in the winter, a possibility. So this is all about the chapter. Now students, can you answer these questions? You have to identify the tense. Present continuous, past continuous or future continuous tense. It can be any tense. Number 1. She was suffering from fever for a long time. She is not doing her homework. Do let me know in the comments below. Till then, thank you.